In this lesson, we're going to look at how to solve this trig equation with a cos 2x in it. So the first thing you should do when you see a trig equation with a cos 2x is go to your formula sheet and look for a substitution. Now with cos 2x, there's three things to substitute. You can either pick this top substitution, second one, or the third one. Now what you're looking to do is keep all the trig ratios the same. So you want all sines or all coses. Now in this trig equation I already have a sine x here. So that means I want to make this into something with a sine x in it. And the only thing here with a sine x and nothing else is this substitution here. If you're thinking this one here, but that's got a cos as well, and we don't want that. To solve it, we need everything to be the same. It's kind of like when you have equations, then you can solve them when they have only x's in them. But if they have x's and y's in them, then it's harder. You need to set up simultaneous equations to solve that. So we want everything here to be the same. So we're looking for all sines. So the only thing to substitute that cos 2x is this bottom one. And we'll do that here. The next thing we want to do is we want to simplify this. So we've got a 1 and a takeaway 1 here. So they'll cancel each other out. That will cancel with this. And we're left with negative 2 sine squared x take away 3 sine x equals 0. At this point, we're going to look for a common factor, and the common factor is sine x. We've got a sine x here. What I'm going to do is take a negative sine x out. You don't need to do that, but I'm going to take it because there's a negative here and a negative here. So what do you multiply this by to get negative 2 sine squared x? Well, it'll be 2 sine x. And then I'll need a plus here and a 3 to make the negative 3 sine x equals 0. So we have the same idea as we had before now. Either this first bit is equal to 0 or the second bit is equal to 0. So negative sine is equal to 0. Now the sine wave, the negative sine wave is just a sine wave upside down like that. So the 3 points here, here and here equal 0. So that's the same as before actually, 0, 180 or 360 degrees. Or this equals 0. So take the 3 over and divide by 2, so negative 3 over 2. Now if you know the waves well enough, you'll know that sine x goes up to 1 and negative 1, down to negative 1. So this actually lies out with the sine wave, so it's not a valid solution, so we can discount this answer. So the answers to this are 0, 180 and 360 degrees.